The Australian safety mission Breakdancer respond to negative reaction for Olympic performance. Australia's Olympic breakdancer Rachael Gunn received significant attention following her performance at Paris. The 36-year-old Australian university lecturer, known competitively as Raygun, went viral on August 9 for losing all her round-robin battles by a combined score of 54-0. Gunn received widespread criticism for failing to perform standard breakdancing moves, instead opting to perform original moves that some have named after Australian animals such as the iconic kangaroo. However, Australia safety mission and former Olympian champion cyclist Meares has defended the Olympian. I think that what has occurred on social media with trolls and keyboard warriors and taking those comments and giving them airtime has been really disappointing, Meares said a press conference on August 10th. Raygun is absolutely loved member of this Olympic team. She has represented the Olympic team and the Olympic spirit with great enthusiasm, and I absolutely love her courage. I love her characters, and I feel very disappointed for her that she has come under the attack that she has. Gunn has also responded to the blacklist, stating that she brings creativity and that all her moves are original. I was never going to beat those girls on what they do best, their power moves, Gunn said. Gunn has a PhD in cultural studies with research interest in dance, gender politics, and the cultural politics of breaking, according to the LinkedIn.